Okay guys, check muna natin ang labas. I don't know what's the weather, pero tingnan natin ang labas guys. Late na tayo gumising. It's around 11 o'clock in the morning. So maganda tong spot guys ng exercise. Nandito yun yung equipment, tapos overlooking ka dito sa mga ibang bahay or ibang units. Tapos magandang weather, and then mag-exercise ka. So it's more motivating guys na magpatanggal ng bilbil at na mag-lose weight guys. So ito ang lugar. Yan, labasan na yan guys, pupunta sa city of St. Albert. As dyan tayo nakapark, malaking parking nila guys. And then itong condo apartment na to or condo unit, may parking din dito sa baba. So magandang weather guys, it's not that cold. Yan guys. Tapos nandun si Lolo naglilinis. Kasi karamihan dito guys ay mga retired na. But it's a good choice for my sister-in-law kasi kompleto ang amenities dito guys. May bilyaran, may swimming pool, pwede ka din magpa-party dito, and of course pwede din tumanggap ng bisita para pumasyal sa unit mo pagka residente ka dito sa facility na ito. So it's a beautiful house, beautiful place, awesome unit guys. Tapos dito guys, naglagay din siya ng pwede nating kainan kung gusto mong mag-chill, magandang weather. Masarap din dito guys kumain. So it's a really good place guys. Hey guys, kain tayo ng breakfast. Pouch egg to titin. Looks like a pouch egg. Dito ang ating mahal na sibuyas. Kung sa Pilipinas guys, it would cost you $1 or lots of dollars to buy sibuyas. Kasi kamatis. Oh, mahal ang sibuyas sa atin, Tin. Oh, mahal sa atin. Yeah. Parang pouch egg man yan, Tin. Hindi ang itsura. So, going to get ready for our breakfast. Breakfast at 11:30 in the morning. Gagawa tayo ng freshly made orange. Yan guys. At least organic yan. Pinipress lang. Oh. Tapos ito yung juice niya. Diyan bumababa. Mga ilang orange yan natin para makaisang baso. Madali lang siya i-prepare guys. Oh, parang kinukudkud niya talagang orange, oh. Yan, kinukudkud niya talaga. So, pwede din dyan mga apple. Orange lang. Apple mo. Yan. Diyan ang paggawa.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Costco. So tingnan natin guys kung makabili tayo ng actually bibili tayo ng snacks in the first place. Bibili tayo ng snacks kasi we're planning to watch movie. Kaya lang guys, ang oras is 7:30 pa. So bibigyan tayo ng merienda dito. Most probably daling ko na ang anak ko, it's either sa Uplay o baka pupunta na lang tayo dyan sa Speeders. So we'll check it out guys, we'll check the place, and then after that we can go and watch a movie dyan po sa WEM. Okay guys, we'll see you later.
A few moments later.
So guys, change of plans. Nandito ngayon tayo sa Speeders. So maganda dito guys kasi may mga cart na pwede pang bata, pwede din pang matanda. So mag-enjoy dyan si Christian, and he'll be a Fast and Furious driver today guys. Right, Chan? Excited? Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah.
Wait.
Okay. Listen, Speeders guys. Oop. We're here at Speeders guys. Sobrang dami ng tao. Hopefully we can find a spot guys. Kasi pagka ganitong weekend guys, marami talagang tao. So they also have arcades guys. Tapos doon yung bar nila. And then sa kabila pong side ang racetrack guys. This is the racetrack guys. So ang ganda ng dadaanan ng mga kotse guys. So this is ideal for kids and adult as well guys. So papunta doon ang racetrack guys. So ganun kahaba hanggang doon pataas guys. So ngayon guys, dito na tayo sa front desk. At kailangan daw muna mag-register kung gusto pong mag-race. Guys, punta rin tayo sa pwesto kung saan natin pwede panuorin si Christian while he's driving his kart or while he's driving his race car guys. So sinabihan tayo na dito tayo pupunta guys. This is the best spot na makikita natin siya magpatakbo ng car. Meron pa tayo dito sa taas guys. Actually dito ang pang-adult. Diyan ang pang-adult guys. Diyan sila nag-race. And then ang bata guys dito sa baba. So this is pretty happy. Excited siya magpatakbo guys. I'm sure mas hanapin niya ang car race dito guys. Kasi masaya. It's like you have a freedom to race your kart. So nandun siya guys.
I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go.
Ayan ang speeders. So papunta na tayo sa West Edmonton Mall guys. At tayo yung magpuput trip. Okay. We decided to go to Red Lobster guys. Nagpalit ang isip namin. So hindi na tayo pupunta sa West Edmonton Mall guys. Papunta na tayo dito sa Red Lobster guys. Let's check it out guys. It's my first time to eat here. Kaya tingnan natin kung gaano kasarap, guys. Hi, Tin. And it's been a while now, right, Chan? Okay. So these are the different recipe they got here. So we're still deciding what to eat. They got shrimps, they got lobster, of course. The thing is, parang wala silang rice. May rice sila, Tin?
There's no honey.
Walang rice? Hello. Welcome to Red Lobster with no rice. So, itong restaurant na to, guys, maraming tao dito, guys, full pack.
And the rice. Honey? And the rice.
Rice? Okay. So, rice. Okay. So, pineapple lobster bake, right? This one comes with the two sides. Oh, so I'm going to order rice. But do you want me to do double rice? Okay. Rice.
Yeah.
And then calamari.
How much is the rice? How big?
Like
Okay.
two scoops then.
Okay.
Okay? And then one calamari, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we good? Anything else?
For now, we'll go with that first,
So
and then
we
we'll
leave
see how
the
it
menu
goes.
one. Yeah.
how it
What
goes.
about the drinks?
The drink, what do you have?
We have. Do you want to have something nice?
No, we
What are your options there for drinks?
For drinks, it's like we have now offer drinks, Coke, Diet Coke, lemonade, but the cocktails see is pretty good.
Diet Coke.
Diet Coke. And for you,
What do you like?
Iced
What
tea?
drink?
What do you
Like
like?
iced tea?
Pineapple? Or
I see.
Iced tea.
Okay. All right. Okay, let's do that. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Ito mo, wala ka pang ano nito. Ilagay mo na to sa ano.
Thank you. So, umorder na kami, guys. Tingnan natin kung masarap ang Red Lobster since 1968. Okay. Okay guys, so tapos na tayong kumain sa Red Lobster, guys. So ito ang ating last food trip for the day. So ito ang Red Lobster. So they have seafood, scallops, crab, shrimp, live lobster pala, okay. And fresh fish. So ayan guys. And then marami pa rin tao, guys, even if it's already 9:30 in the evening, guys. So ngayon guys, pauwi na tayo. Ito na sila. On the way home, guys. Okay. We'll see you later.